Hi everyone, this is the third video in the series of number system. In this video, I am going to talk about number system and discuss some examples to understand well. So let's start with the divisibility rules. Okay. First, what is divisibility rule? First, we will learn about divisibility rules or divisibility tests. Okay. Divisibility rules or divisibility tests have been mentioned to make the division procedure easier and quicker. If students learn the division rules in maths or the divisibility tests for 1 to 20, they can solve the problems in a better way. For example, divisibility rules for 13 help us to know which numbers are completely divided by 13. Some numbers like 2, 3, 4, 5 have rules which can be understood easily, but rules for 7, 11 and 13 are a little complex and need to be understood in depth. Okay. Next one is what we learn about in this video. First is divisibility of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to the 13. Okay. So first one is definition. If a number is completely divided by another number, then the quotient should be a whole number and the remainder should be 0. Okay. Definition of divisibility. Divide one integer by another with no remainder. For example, 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Since 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. Okay. Second one is even numbers. Ends in 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. That is divisible by 2. Okay. Third one is odd numbers. And in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Means the last digit is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. That is not divisible by 2. Okay. So the next one is divisibility rule of 1. Okay. Every number is divisible by 1. Divisibility rule for 1 does not have any condition. Any number divided by 1 will give the number itself, irrespective of how large the number is. For example, 3 is divisible by 1. Okay. And 3000 is also divisible by 1 completely. Okay. Next one is divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the number is even. And what is even number? Which is divisible by 2. Okay. Like here, 18 divided by 2 is equals to 9. 22 divided by 2 is equals to 11. Notice that both of these numbers are even. Like 18 and 22 both are the even numbers. And the third one is 21 divided by 2 is equals to 10. Okay. And remainder 1. But 21 is not an even number. Got it? Next one is divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. For example, identify the number divisible by 3 like 79, 132, 3432. Add the digits and test if the sum is divisible by 3. Like here 79. 7 plus 9 is equals to 16. But 16 is not divisible by 3. Okay. Next one is 132. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equals to 6. And 6 is divisible by 3. Okay. Next one is 3432. 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equals to 12. And 12 is also divisible by 3. So 132 and 3432 are divisible by 3. Okay. Next one is divisibility rule by 4. If the last two digits of a given number is divisible by 4, then we can say that the given number is divisible by 4. Okay. Like here, for example, 2684. Okay. And the last digit is 8 and 4. So 84 is divisible by 4. And the next one is 98656. Okay. And the last digit is 5 and 6. So 56 is also divisible by 4. Next one is 14520. And the last digit is 2 and 0. So 20 is divisible by 4. Numbers ending with odd are not divisible by 4. Okay. Next one is divisibility rules of 5. Okay. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit of a number is either 0 or 5. For example, check if 135 is divisible by 5 or not. We need to check the last digit of a given number 135 is either 0 or not. Here, a given number is 135. and its last digit is 5. So 135 is divisible by 5. Because the number is divisible by 5, having the last digit is 0 or 5. Okay. Next one is divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is even and divisible by 3. Okay, for example, identify the numbers divisible by 6. For example, 663, 282, 8624, 9876. Isolate even numbers. Okay, 282 is an even number, 8624 is an even number, and 9876 is also an even number. Test if digits are divisible by 3. Like 2 plus 8 plus 2 is equals to 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. Next one is 8624. 8 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 is equals to 20, but 20 is not divisible by 3. Okay, next one is 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 is equals to 30, and 30 is divisible by 3. So 282 and 9876 are divisible by 6. Okay. Next one is divisibility rules of 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the unit digit of the given number and the remaining part of the given number should be a multiple of 7, or it should be equals to 0. For example, is 133 divisible by 7 or not? Double the unit digit, and the unit digit is 3. So 3 into 2 is equals to 6. And the remaining part of the given number is 13. Okay, difference 13 minus 6 is equals to 7. So the given number 133 is divisible by 7. Okay. Next one is divisibility rule by 8. If the last three digits of a given number is divisible by 8, then we can say that the given number is divisible by 8. For example, 1, 4, 5, 6. And the last three digits are 4, 5, and 6. So the 456 is divisible by 8. And the next one is 9, 8, 2, 4, 5. And the last digit is 245. But 245 is not divisible by 8. Okay, so the whole number is not divisible by 8. So the next one is 432 000. It is divisible by 8. Okay. Note, number is divisible by 8 only if its last digit is even number. So don't check numbers ending with odd digits. Got it? Next one is divisibility rule by 9. If the sum of all digits of a given number is multiple of 9 or is exactly divisible by 9, then we can say that the given number is divisible by 9. For example, 1836. 1 plus 8 plus 3 plus 6 is equals to 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. And next one is 5426739. Here 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 9 is equals to 36, and 3 plus 6 is equals to 9, and 9 is divisible by 9. So the whole number is divisible by 9. Okay. Next one is divisibility rule of 10. If the number ends with 0, then it is divisible by 10. For example, 90 and in a 0. Okay, last digit is 0. So it is divisible by 10. So the whole number 90 is divisible by 10. Next one is divisibility rules of 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of sum of its digits in odd places and sum of its digits in even places. And what is odd places and even places? Like here 1, 3, 5. Okay, these are the odd places. But 2, 4, 6, these are the even places. Okay, equals to 0 or completely divisible by 11. For example, check if 5629 is divisible by 11 or not. So sum of digits at odd places. What is odd places? Like 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. And sum of digits at even places. Even places is 6 and 9. 6 plus 9 is equals to 15. Their difference is 15 minus 7 is equals to 8. Since difference is 8 and 8 is not divisible by 11, therefore the whole number 5629 is not divisible by 11. Okay. Next one is divisibility rules of 12. A number is divisible by 12 if the given number is divisible by 3 and 4 both. Okay, because 3 4s are 12. So, for example, check if 1910 is divisible by 12. Divisibility rule of 12 states that a given number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by 3 and 4 both. Now, first we check whether 1910 is divisible by 3 or not. Sum of the given digit, like 1 plus 9 plus 1 plus 0 is equals to 11, because the divisibility rule of 3 is equals to sum of the digits. Okay, since 11 is not divisible by 3, so 1910 is not divisible by 3. Since numbers should be divisible by 3 and 4 both, so 1910 is not divisible by 12 because it is not divisible by 3. So the whole number is not divisible by 12. Okay. So the next one is divisibility test by 13. Multiply 4 to the last digit and add with the remaining digits. If the result is divisible by 13, then it is also divisible by 13. Okay, apply this rule over and over again as necessary. For example, 169. Here 16 plus 9 into 4 is equals to 16 plus 36 is equals to 52. Since 52 is divisible by 13, hence the given number is also divisible by 13. Next one is 50661. Here 5066 plus 1 into 4 is equals to 5070. Okay, 5070 plus 0 into 4, because the last digit is multiplied by 4. Okay, so it is equals to 507. Okay, and 507 here 50 plus 7 into 4 is equals to 78. Since 78 divisible by 13, hence the given number is also divisible by 13. Okay. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video.